If you're looking to reduce the cost of tree cutting in Lakeview, Michigan, a few practical steps can help keep the work affordable while still getting it done safely. Clearing the area around the tree before the crew arrives can cut down on labor time. Gathering small branches or moving yard items out of the way also helps. Getting multiple quotes allows you to compare fair pricing, and scheduling work during slower seasons may lower costs. In Lakeview's rural and wooded areas, early maintenance prevents larger, more expensive cuts down the road. A local team like Highline Tree Service can guide you toward cost-effective options. With simple preparation and smart timing, tree cutting expenses become much easier to manage.